YouTube. As you've seen in my previous video, I just bought a pack of LED light bulbs. So today, we're going to go with a full conversion of all my interior lights on the inside of this Ford Taurus. So let's get started. So the first one I'm going to replace is the dome light. And what you do to take this off, you see that little slot right there in the middle? You either use a screwdriver or your finger. You stick it in there and you pry the whole lens off. So I'm going to do that right now and we can see what we have to work with. As you can see here, these light bulbs are different. They're the tube type. And I just called Amazon and they already are sending the right kind on their way. So I'm going to skip this one and go to the other lights I got to replace. Okay, this is the glove box. The light bulb is behind the switch right here. You can see it right there. This is the switch. When it's pressed in, the light's out. When it's open, the light comes on. So I'm going to pry this whole piece out and you'll be able to get to the light bulb behind it. Now I pushed it through. You can see the light bulb right there. So now I'm going to unplug this light bulb and we'll compare the two between the light bulb and the LED replacement. Now here is the LED bulb versus the factory one. Looks a little weird, but it plugs right in. So let's plug it in and see what it looks like. Okay, it's plugged in. See right here, it looks a little weird, but let's plug it in and see how bright it is. Okay. It looks pretty good. Now let's plug it back in. And it's in. It's pretty bright in here. So the glove box is done. Now let's get to the trunk. Okay, the Ford Taurus has two lights for the license plate. One right here and one right here. And they're easy to get to. Just gotta pop the trunk. And they're right there. 1, 2. All you gotta do is twist and take them off. There they are right here. Simple bulbs. Now I'm gonna pop these out and put in the new LED ones. There they are, plugged in. Now let's see how they work. Okay, they seem to be working fine. Now let's plug them in and see what they look like on the license plate. Okay, the lights are on. It's a little dirty here. I got to clean the car, but there's a big film of dirt on them. But you can see them right here. They come through as white. And that's it. I got about 5 LED lights left. Don't know what I'm going to do with them. Don't know if I'm going to give them away or just keep them as extras. But that's it. I got some LEDs for the dome light and for the trunk coming in a few days. I'll install those. But main thing about this upgrade is they're bright and they don't have that nasty yellow look that the bulbs have. So that's it. Until next video, I'll see you.